Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. Thank you very much for clicking my video, for watching. So in this video we're talking about the upcoming Redmi 10X and the upcoming Redmi 10X camera capability and some new modes of this smartphone. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. So the Redmi upcoming smartphone, the Redmi 10X lineup, will arrive in China on May 26. So 3 days more, we expect to see 3 different phones, and apparently at least one of them will have a 30x zoom as well. This could mean one of the camera could be 3x telephoto, unless Redmi has something else up its sleeves. The official Redmi page on a Vivo Chinese website shared the teaser about the 30x zoom and the OIS capability of one of the cameras, but it also revealed there will be some AI feature for creative inspiration. Aside from the fancy background blur and artificial coloring of some images and night shoots, we are wondering what is Redmi going to present. In a separate post on a Vivo, the product director Tom Swang revealed that snapping a long exposure photo during the night will be a simple procedure with the Redmi 10X Pro. Yes, there is a Pro incoming without extra equipment required thanks to the Star Track mode. So as you can see, this is the picture with the Star Track mode of the upcoming Redmi 10X Pro, and the product manager is shared on a Vivo. So the executive said that the Redmi 10X Pro can take a stunning photo with just one click. There is no need for a professional SLR camera, manually adjustment of ISO shutter, aperture, or any kind of post stacking or coloring. Everything will be done by the smartphone chipset to provide user an easier way to express their creativity. Giving 3 to 4 more days until the event, so more teaser and more leaks coming about the upcoming Redmi 10X smartphone. The other specification of the upcoming Redmi 10X is a 2.0 octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 smartphone chipset, and there is a 2 memory storage variant, 64GB, 128GB, 64GB with a 4GB of RAM and 128GB with 6GB of RAM. On the back side we have CF4 camera setup, and it has a 4K recording with a 30 FPS as well. Battery of this smartphone is up to 5000 mAh with 18-watt super fast charging. Pricing is not yet confirmed, and the color option available in 3: sky blue, green and white. So let's see in upcoming days what more leaks about this smartphone is coming. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.